Hello everyone. Today I came in front of you to explain one more difference between reproducibility and repeatability. What is repeatability and what is reproducibility? So these two terms are generally used in industries while quality is considered. So we will try to understand the difference between those two. Reproducibility is nothing but closeness of the measurement under different conditions. The only prominent main difference between those two is reproducibility can be considered with the closeness of measurement. Measuring the value, whatever you have obtained the value, the same value is obtained under different conditions are taken into consideration. So underline, different conditions are followed. When you are following different conditions, and I will explain what are different conditions in the later minutes, in a couple of minutes. So you have to understand this is reproducibility. Mean of the measurement of operator A and operator B. For example, if two operators are there, one has measured one equipment and another measured another thing, and the means are matching alike, the bell curve is alike, there is no much differences between the bell curves. So you can say that the operator A and operator B, whatever the measured thing that is having between those two, those are reproducible. And then what is repeatability? It is closeness of measurement carried out successively under same conditions. Here you have to underline the same thing, that same conditions are followed here. And in reproducibility, different conditions are followed and different conditions are followed, and in repeatability, same conditions are followed. That's the basic and prominent difference between those two. And repeatability can be explained with this figure from internet source. I have obtained these two figures from an internet source, and repeatability is that the same bell curve is obtained many number of times under same conditions are followed. And what are those conditions that we are following will be explained in the later slide. So reproducibility is different conditions followed, repeatability is when same conditions are followed. And coming to criteria of consideration, which can be considered as repeatable and which can be considered as reproducible. So reproducibility is different measuring conditions to follow, like varying the procedure. If you vary the procedure, if you have fitted part A and then you are fitting part B, what is the time that is taken? And if you are fitting part B first, because whatever the part that is sequence follows, there is no problem with the production stage. So then if part B is fitted initially and part A is fitted finally, so by changing those two also, same time is taken place. That can be considered. Varying personnel, if X person is fitted and Y person has done the experiment, Z person has done the experiment, and 3 got the same value. And varying time of testing, varying places of testing, where you are considering the location, whether you are taken Andaman Nicobar Island or Antarctica Island, anywhere, but the equipment is not deviating with this original values and reference standards that you follow. And whereas coming to repeatability, same procedure to be followed, same person has to be involved in doing the same experiment, same point of time, same place of testing, there is no location change that you have to consider. And considering all these factors, repeatability and reproducibility has their own differences. And without taking much time, I want to wind up the total session quickly. So I will show the tabular column which indicates what is reproducibility and what is repeatability. Here, if you have seen this tabular column and length 1 is measured, length 2 is measured and length 3 is taken. And whenever any length is taken here, length 1 is taken and X operator is verified the length and he found that it is 98.98, 49.98. Y has taken only I am considering నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నానంటే అమ్మా I am only changing the persons. I am not considering any of these things. I am changing the persons. I am trying to differentiate between reproducibility and repeatability. X, Y, Z. 3 has measured the product and 3 found that it is 49.98 and original is also as 49.98. Then you can say that it is reproducible. If and the same session 50 mm length to another part is taken 50 mm length and if it is measured 50, 50 and 50 by the 3 persons, then you can say that it is reproducible and same as the length 3. And repeatability is vice versa of this. The person should not change, same procedure to follow, same person to follow, same point of time to follow. X, X, X and 49.98, you have obtained the same dimension whatever the reference length is given. And Y, Y, Y 50 mm, the same 50 mm you got. Then you can say without the person has changed, you got the same output. Then you can say that it is repeatable. So again one more time I am explaining. Reproducibility is X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, and here persons are varying and variation in the personal will be happening. In the repeatability stage, same person is there and same procedure is followed. So these are the prominent differences between those two. If you have any queries or if you find any mistakes or if you find any suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.